Everyone, welcome to another exciting unboxing video. Today we have two boxes just arrived from SEZANE. You guys know how much I love the brand SEZANE. This is a Parisian fashion brand, so it's born in Paris. And the very exciting thing about SEZANE is that this brand actually the first brand born in Paris that is online, born online. Okay. Before we start unboxing our SEZANE packages, I want to give a huge shout out to my favorite floral brand, Rose Forever, who have forever roses of different varieties. I just absolutely love them and they're perfect for the holiday season. Let's get some details about it. I absolutely love how beautifully they present the roses. This is the black velvet gray roses. Roses Forever is a brand that has beautiful, gorgeous roses of different color, and they preserve the roses in a natural way without any harmful chemical, so that they're very safe at home for decor and all. And they comes in different shapes and color and sizes. So these beautiful roses have been with me for a complete year now, and look at that. They're still flawless. Absolutely they look the same as they arrived in the first day 1 year back. I'm just showing you these guys so you know how beautifully they stay even after 1 year. So the good thing about the crystal box is that you have a drawer here, so you can actually preserve your precious jewelries. Whatever you have, anything precious, you can save in here. Jewelries, cosmetics, or your very precious wallet, whatever you feel like. Quality is so good. Every time I come close to the box, smells really amazing. I just want to show you this beautiful candle. So this is their home scent, and this is also made in a very the ingredients are very clean and there is nothing harmful in here, so this is very safe. Like usually the scented candles, we know that they're usually not that safe, but they have a manual where you can actually read how long you can actually burn them. Even though they are safe, I will not burn them more than an hour probably, but yeah, you have the manual, you can read on them. But look at that, how big it is. When I first got this beautiful candle, I burned them quite a bit, but I love it so much. I burn them often, but still, there's just so much left. It smells so good. Every time I open the jar, it feels like fresh cut roses. It feels so good. The smell is so good, and you have tons of different flavors that you can pick from. This beautiful candle is so big, and you have many different colors. This looks so aesthetic. So if you go to the website, there are two different jars. One comes with dark brown and white design like this, and this is like the pink and white, which I picked.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun.
Really in love with it. How beautiful neutral color, like white and black, I think is the best combination. And also I love the dome shape. Here they are. This is the stunning rose bouquet in a velvet heart-shaped case and 36 red roses. I have this gorgeous marble box, and when you open this, look at that. How pretty. And this smells incredibly gorgeous. They have many different shades of the roses and many different kind of boxes. Like this part, you can choose from several options, which is actually really helpful. You can choose anything that matches with your lifestyle or the environment or the weather. It's just so aesthetic. Every season I actually find something very beautiful, aesthetic, luxurious and very comfortable from SEZANE. So I have a SEZANE haul pretty much every season. I keep an eye what they're bringing new and I try to collect 1 or 2 pieces because SEZANE is such a brand. You have really high quality fashion. And because it's a Parisian fashion, they know what to do. Their style is so classic and I feel like you never go wrong with, you know, wearing their pieces. Anytime, every time you just put them on, you look just perfect. And that's why I love the brand. Anyways, this time around, I found so many beautiful pieces for fall and it was really hard to choose just 2 pieces and not the rest because I have so many in my wish list. But obviously I just picked 2 very unique and something that I absolutely love. So I just picked 2 of them and we are going to unbox them together. So first of all, look at this box. How gorgeous and how aesthetically they arrived and I cannot wait to unbox them. So let's do that. It actually arrived a few days back. I have been waiting patiently to unbox with you guys. Every time I buy something from the brand, it gives me so much happiness because it arrives in a way that it feels like it's a gift from them. It is so beautiful and I honestly wish that one day I can collaborate with them because this is my all-time favorite brand and how much I love them. And also I will link all the pieces down below in the description box so that you can find them in the website. The last time when I bought one of their silk shirts, now 2 of their silk shirts, I have worn them regardless the weather, regardless the occasion. Every time I got so many compliments. So this time also I got these sweaters. Wow, their packaging is insanely gorgeous. Also not hard to unbox, it was easy. Wow, look at that. This is just beautifully arrived. I am in love. They always have beautiful notes in their boxes. How good it feels to see something arrived in such a beautiful way. It makes me feel really special. Here comes my new sweater, which is so fluffy, such a beautiful burgundy color that I always wanted. And oh, this fluffiness is insane. Look closely. Such a warm, beautiful sweater. I'll be sharing all the details down below in the description box so you can find the exact product. The beauty of the brand SEZANE is that not only their designs are unique, their color choices are so beautiful, so aesthetic. Nothing is like too bright. It is totally my kind of color. They're so muted, so subtle. I love. And look at this sweater. Wow. I think finally I got the perfect sweater for the fall. How cozy it is and how beautiful this color is. Just, I have no words. Looking online, you will know what to choose because they're so beautifully they present. And when you see online, you can totally understand how the product will be in person. Because every time I buy something from SEZANE, I never had that difficulty, never had to return. It was always the perfect sizing and perfect color. Oh, just love it. Let's try it out. So this is how the sweater looks on me. Just in love. So comfortable and cozy, perfect sizing. Beautiful buttons. Very nice matching burgundy. There's always something about SEZANE buttons. They're so classic and so beautiful. The buttons are always beautifully matched. I love the sleeves. They look good. Like more casually taking off one or opening 1 or 2 more buttons like that, it looks more nicer and it looks more casual. It more looks like me myself. And yeah, I just love it. I love pulling my sleeves a little bit. It makes me feel more cozy during the fall and winter time. And this is such a cozy sweater. I absolutely highly recommend. I will link it down below. You can easily go to my link and place an order. It was really in low stock. Hope you find it still now, but if not, just keep your notification on. Sometimes they just restock them, so you'll get it, but these kind of shades actually sells out really fast. So yeah, this is it. This is my favorite burgundy sweater, and I'm very happy that I made this purchase. And now let's do the next unboxing and see what we have. So at this point of time, we are going to see our next so now we are unboxing our next box, and let's see what else we have for fall. Wow, look at that. Each box has their own style of design and artwork. This is different. This says invitation. This is an October edition. So they have something new. They have a new perfume, I guess. Yes, they said signature perfume. So they have a new signature scent, and this is for the October. How beautifully they mention their next product, so you don't miss anything. And it's such beautiful artwork. Their boxes I always keep. I love keeping them, and look how gorgeously it arrived. And I can see something else is there. What is this? Wow, what a surprise. This is a tote bag. Oh my god, I did not know they're going to send me a tote bag with my purchase. It was never mentioned. How lucky I am. I got a tote bag. What a beautiful colored tote bag, and it says Paris Mon Amour. And oh wow, this is absolutely gorgeous. Thank you, SEZANE, so much for this. I'm just in love. How beautiful this tote is. Woohoo. I am so excited. Look at that. And I totally feel like my croissant back charm is going to be so perfect with this tote. I will style it and show you guys. Okay, and this is how it came. Beautiful packaging as always. Absolutely in love. And let's open it. Oh, look at that. I just love this color. Such a beautiful color. Can you see? Anytime, as much I cannot, resist burgundy, same as this color. This is a cloud blue color that I can never ignore. This is such beautiful blue that I think suits a wide range of skin tone, in fact any skin tone. So SEZANE actually has those colors that is just good for any skin tone. Those colors, like not every blue I can wear, like I don't feel every blue is for me, but this blue is just for me, and I think any skin tone will look so good on this. And the most important thing is that it's so lightweight and it is so fluffy. Look at this, so beautiful. Anyways, under the box there is also something written. There is 5 things to know. There are some more details in the box. These boxes are insanely gorgeous. You never want to get rid of it, right? So this is so beautiful. So soft and cozy and so lightweight. Looks like I can wear it like not only fall and winter, but also spring will be so perfect for this type of color and this kind of material. So gorgeous. It's now time to change this sweater, but I just cannot tell you guys how much I'm in love with this sweater. I want to take it off, but I'm going to show you the next one, how it looks on me. So this is how this next cardigan looks like. It is so pretty. I think one of the prettiest blue that you can ever find. And look at these buttons. These buttons are insanely beautiful. These are like pearly buttons and they look so beautiful. in love with these buttons. They're so beautiful, and the softness is, you know, insanely soft. Love the cozy sleeves. They're just so comfortable. Also, I was just thinking what this cardigan is called, and this is called their Gaspard cardigan in vintage blue. Tell me how gorgeous it is. So this is their vintage blue. Absolutely in love with the color and also the style. This is also very loose here, which I absolutely love. I think in winter time, fall time, you don't want like too much body hugging pieces. Rather, you love something more fluffy, cozy, a little oversized. I think is the vibe of the season. So I just think this is perfect. And I also think that my fall color palette has changed a lot over the years. In the past, only browns and burgundies would be my fall color, but I think this year more lighter colors like bone color is also in my color palette. Vintage blue I see totally in my fall palette, and silver, these light colors I have added, and I think it is internationally being added from like almost every fashion house, which is why I'm also loving it so much. Also, in my opinion, pearls were more like a spring summer fashion before, but this year I don't know if it's the trend or what it is. I am just loving to add pearls in my fall collection. I think with all my fall outfits, you know, pearls are looking so gorgeous, and these pearl buttons are absolutely insanely beautiful. I just love them. And also this particular sweater comes in many different colors, so not only you have to pick this color, you can go through the page and see there are many different attractive colors. It was pretty difficult to pick this one because I mean, it was not difficult to pick this one, but I actually wanted to pick more. But you know, the same cardigan, I thought let's try one and see if I really love it. I'll grab some more. So I have the camel color in my collection, of course. There's a pink one, a very beautiful pink. Probably I'm going to add that too. And there are many other colors. I see myself collecting more colors of this style. Again, the Emily cardigan that I just showed you is beautiful, but it is more like on the chunkier, fluffier side. So I think I will be wearing them more on the winter time, fall time, but probably not in the spring time because that's more like thick. But this one is very lightweight, and I can see that I can wear it pretty much all the year round, like chilly evenings. It will be like so nice. So this is a more versatile sweater that I can casually more often wear and without being looking like chunky or too much fluffy. So this is more easy. I hope this video was helpful today. You got to see two of my favorite season collections. I have many other videos of, you know, showcasing my season pieces. I will link them down below if those pieces are still available. Some pieces are, so you can still pick them. And I think this is, and the other Emily cardigan is such a, you know, hot trend for the season, which you can totally you know, try and see if you love them. And I believe everyone's gonna love them. They're so beautiful, so aesthetic, so much like Paris fashion. I just love. Anyways, you guys, I hope you really had a fantastic unboxing time. Let me know like which unboxing you prefer more, fashion or makeup. I like to do more of these kind of videos. So I'm going to end this video here today, and I'll be seeing you next time on my next video. Take care. Bye.